Let me give you some top tips when it comes to driving your sales through marketing. The first important part is actually knowing your market. What market is it that you're actually selling in? So, look at your market research, have a look at your local area, have a look at what changes are taking place. My next tip is know your customer. You can't actually market to somebody you don't know, so you need to know who that customer is. Where are they? Where will they be buying? What are they reading? Where will they get that message from? The next tip is about brand identity and brand visibility. There's certain things that you have to have in place. So you need to have a good brand name. You need to actually have a logo, but brand identity is more than that. It's about communicating your personality, communicating it in sync across every single channel that you've got. If you don't, then your message will be confusing to your customer. The next tip is about communication. And today it's about multi-channel marketing. So you need to be able to market across all the channels. That is traditional and digital marketing. So don't think that, the flyer's out of the window or there's no point running a print ad. It still is important within your marketing mix. But equally as important is email marketing, Facebook marketing, your website presence and all other marketing platforms such as LinkedIn. Another top tip is actually planning. You need a strategic marketing plan and you need a marketing plan. If you don't have a plan, you won't actually do it. And if actually you don't know where you're going, you're not going to be able to get there. So a plan actually sets how you're going to achieve your marketing and how you're actually going to achieve those objectives. Plan a calendar for the next 12 months. Then it will make it easier to sync your marketing across every single channel that your business is involved in. My final top tip is about evaluating. There's no point doing a whole load of marketing if you don't know if it's working. So you start off with a great objective. What you need to do is check the marketing that you're actually doing. Is it actually working? Are you getting the extra sales? Is it driving that footfall? Is it driving your website clicks? Is it actually doing what you needed to do within your business?